One of the key to have a perfect photos and videos are lights. And today, I'm testing out one of the most powerful yet compact lights on the market, the Zhiyun MOLUS G300. With 300 watts of power, a compact body, and AI-powered cooling, this might just be the ultimate lighting solution for photographers and videographers. But is it really worth it? Let's find out. So guys, it's me, Rapi Samstil, and today's vlog we have the Zhiyun MOLUS G300. And let's see if worth the price. But again, before anything else, if you like this kind of content, if you like photography, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video tutorial, and comparison. So without further ado guys, but again, before we start or before we jump into our topic, if you like this audio guys, my background music, this background music, check the audio. Again guys, if you are filmmakers, content creators, or vloggers, if you need the background music or sound effects, check the audio guys. The audio have two AI, the link match and the Hans AI. So the link match, if you want to match the audio that you like coming from YouTube or TikTok, you can link, paste the URL and paste in the link match, and the link match will suggest music similar with your music that you want coming from YouTube and TikTok. And also they have a Hans AI. Hans AI, it's an AI that you can type your script or anything that you want, and the Hans AI will give or will suggest audio, and you can select the best audio which is similar from your what you write from the Hans AI. So that is the cool to AI tools from the audio. So again, the audio guys have always have a daily update or daily additional new music and sound effects. So again guys, if you want to avail a 70% off, go to the description on this video and check the code, which is the Save 70, and you will get 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. So again, use my save code, the Save 70, and you will get 70%. So let's go back to the topic. Again, this is the Zhiyun MOLUS 300. The MOLUS G300 is a part of Zhiyun new lineup or professional lighting, designed for those who need serious power without the bulk. It's got a super compact design, making it easy to carry, but don't let the size fool you. It pumps out a massive 300 watts of high quality light. So again, it all features a Bowens mount, which means it's compatible with a huge range of light modifiers from softboxes to reflectors. Plus, with adjustable color temperature from 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin, you get full creative control over your lighting setup. So, yan guys, this is the Zhiyun MOLUS Zhiyun G300. So let's try to use the lights, and let's turn off all the lights that we have here now. Actually, we have 3 lights set up. We have from up, we have from side by side, aperture, and we have Godox from up. So let's try to turn off and use the Zhiyun MOLUS 300 for our main light. So guys, we don't have light now, and we will turn on with the application ZY Vega, and you can control the Zhiyun MOLUS G300. Just turn on, and we have effects also guys. So this is our effects, like a fireworks. You can control the daylight and tungsten from 2700 Kelvin up to 6500 Kelvin. Then you can control also the power, and if you want to dim, but still we are in effects. So yan guys, this is the Zhiyun MOLUS G300. So let's turn off. So guys, this is the Zhiyun MOLUS G300. Again guys, it's too bright, And I didn't use any modifiers, just direct from the light. And yan guys, this is the Zhiyun MOLUS G300. So guys, let's check the pros and cons on these lights. So for the pros, it's compact for the 300 watts power. Again, it's compact yet powerful. It's 300 watts. And you have adjustable current temperature from 2000, it's a bicolor from 2700 Kelvin up to 6500 Kelvin. You have a Bowens mount. It's perfect for modifiers. Most of leading brand like Nonlight, Godox, Aperture, and Bowens, it's a Bowens mount. So you can get a cheaper modifiers on the market. So this is another pros. And again, you have a high CRI of accurate colors for this light, guys. So let's go for the cons. So the cons, there's no battery. You required a power supply. So you don't have a battery on this. And it's premium price point. So the price of this depends on your local market. It's not cheap, but again, the quality, it's amazing, guys. So that is our light for today, the Zhiyun MOLUS G300. So again, guys, if you are looking or searching for a perfect light for a filmmaker, and if you want a compact design, check the Zhiyun MOLUS G300. So yan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this product, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So yan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay!